Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Canva to make thumbnails. First, open Canva and search for YouTube thumbnail to access the correct template. This ensures your design has the perfect dimensions of 1280 pixels by 720 pixels, which is a 16:9 aspect ratio. You can then choose from a wide array of pre-designed templates or start fresh with a blank canvas to unleash your creativity. Now, let's add some visual flair. You can easily upload your own high-quality images or explore Canva's vast library of stock photos and graphics. Next, add compelling text using clear, readable fonts and ensure strong color contrast for maximum impact. Don't forget to utilize shapes, lines, and icons to create an engaging layout and direct your audience's attention effectively. Customization is key to making your thumbnail stand out. Adjust colors, transparency, and apply various effects to align with your personal brand and video's theme. Experiment with filters and image settings to achieve a polished, professional appearance. Remember, your thumbnail should accurately reflect your video's content, building trust with your audience and encouraging genuine engagement. Finally, it's time to export your masterpiece. Download your completed thumbnail in a high-quality format such as PNG or JPG. Make sure the file size remains under 2 megabytes for quick and efficient uploading to YouTube. Before publishing your video, always take a moment to review your thumbnail on various devices to guarantee it looks fantastic everywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.